So after days and days of Trading212 customers worrying about when the interest rates are going to drop, Trading212 has gone out and give notice that they will be changing the interest rate from 4.9% annual equivalent rate in their accounts, for example, the invest account, the stocks ISA, and the cash ISA, down to 4.6% in the accounts where you can hold uninvested cash, for example, the stocks ISA, and also the invest account. Now, this comes at a shock for pretty much no one because the central bank rate is currently 4.5% since early February. Now, if you would like to sign up to Trading212 and receive a free fractional share worth up to £100 in your invest account, all you have to do is to click the link in the description box down below. Alternatively, if you've already signed up to Trading212 in the past 10 days and haven't received a free share, all you have to do is to click the 3 horizontal line menu over here. Scroll all the way down until you see the section use promo code and then enter my code JUBAIR and you should receive a free fractional share. Now, if you have noticed, I do have quite a bit of cash currently, £116,056, and I have been really enjoying, for the times I'm out of the market, that 4.9% annual equivalent rate, which is currently a daily interest payment of £15.20. Now, as you can see, for the past few days, I have been receiving £50 and 20 something pence because I have been quite heavy on cash. Obviously, one of the advantages of holding uninvested cash in my stocks ISA is that I can invest into it whenever I want. For example, here, as you can see, I only received 6 pence that day as the night before I was invested. And so far, this has played pretty well with my strategy of trying to be in and out of the market, something I don't recommend, but I have, become quite lucrative at it recently with a realized profit of over £14,000. But even for a long-term investor, having some cash as part of your portfolio could be really useful. Now, of course, the catch here, as always, is that most of this money is put into qualifying money market funds. I would pay more note to the percentage rather than the value amount. As you can see, it says I only have £360 in qualifying money market funds, and realistically, it's going to be a lot more than that. It might just take some time to update that. One thing that Trading212 has done this time, which is very different, is that the rates are now different from the stocks ISA / invest account to the cash ISA. Now, as you can see, I've actually never used my cash ISA before. My balance is 0. Currently, the rate for the cash ISA is 4.9%, as you can see here. But from the 1st of March, you can see that the rates will be dropping to 4.5% as opposed to 4.6% on the stocks ISA or the invest account. As you can see, this is my Trading212 invest account. Currently, again, I have a lot of cash here, £21,396. And you can see the same notice here. From the 1st of March, the rates will be dropping from 4.9% AER to 4.6%. Now that has me thinking, even with 4.5% as the lower end from the cash ISA, is there really anything that can stand up to Trading212? Especially given the fact that the current bank rate is 4.5%. So basically, Trading212 is probably operating at a loss because they are providing an interest rate that is equivalent to the central bank rate. But of course, it takes money to give this money out, and most banks will be looking to profit off of that rate. Now, if we use Martin Lewis's website, moneysavingexpert.com, we can see that he usually updates his lists with the best savings accounts that we can get. Now, as you can see, these figures right now might be a bit out of date. You can see that for Trading212, it says the cash ISA rate is 5.03%. So take this with a grain of salt. Remember, this is not my website. But as you can see, pretty much nothing will beat Trading212's 4.5% when that happens in March. But there's still quite a bit of time left to March. So all of these other banks could be dropping their rates a lot higher than that when it comes to March. Now you can see, for example, Plum does offer 5% plus. However, that does include certain restrictions, for example, minimum £100 deposit, whereas Trading212 has a minimum of £1 deposit. And of course, because this is a cash ISA, you can only put in £20,000, but that will be the same with Trading212 as they are both cash ISAs. Now, when it comes to normal accounts, you can see Monument Bank is giving out 4.75%, but again, minimum £25,000, maximum 2 million. I don't think any normal person will be putting their money into that. Coventry Bank, again, 4.66%, but you can only make a maximum of 5 withdrawals per year. Chip here says 4.5%, and I really like Chip because it is an instant access savings account. You get your money within basically 10 seconds of pressing withdrawal to your bank. However, like I said, I don't think these numbers are really up to date. You can see I already have an account with Chip. You can see here Chip Instant Access, and that is currently giving 3.5% as an annual equivalent rate. Now, the best part of this interest on cash from trading 212 is that the minimums are just £1. There are no maximums. There are no fees on withdrawals. There are no limits to how many times you can withdraw. It's not going to affect the interest rates like some other bank accounts. And generally speaking, 4.5% is going to be extremely hard to beat, as the Bank of England's rate is 4.5%. Now, when it comes to the stocks ISA and the invest account, we are getting 10 basis points or 0.1% above the Bank of England's base rate. Now, of course, if you do opt in to putting cash, uninvested cash, into these accounts, for example, here, the invest account or the stocks ISA, most of this cash will be put into qualifying money market funds, which could often sometimes have a bit of a higher rate than the Bank of England's. But again, Trading 212 is definitely operating at some sort of loss, or they are willing to put some profits aside for acquiring new customers because it is going to be above the Bank of England's central rate. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.